Welcome back, my people. Yo, peep. So we at what the hell we at again? Ihop's. Got my girls with me. Peep. So the girls wanted Ihop's. I was like, all right. After this, we're about to hit the other spot because it's supposed to be like a bad snowstorm.
It's very rare that we see something like this, a cold weather advisory.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, when was the last time you saw? I can't remember the last time I saw it.
I have no idea.
Yeah, you were probably like 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah. So about 40 years ago.
What?
Damn.
Winter storm watch also in effect for the entire state Sunday morning through Monday afternoon as we're getting ready for Winter Storm Benjamin. All snow light and fluffy, again a foot or more likely across the state.
We'll wait for the food to get here. Make sure you like that. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and all that good shit. Jump cut. Yo, welcome. Boom. The food finally got here. Peep this though. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. So there goes my breakfast sampler. I believe the last time I did the video I got the same thing. Boom, but I got the pancake. Wait, so y'all say y'all was gonna get what? What are you about to get?
I'm gonna get the chicken biscuit sandwich, a buttermilk biscuit filled with chicken, crispy chicken breast, hash browns, pickle chips, and sausage gravy.
And you?
Same thing.
Same thing. But y'all switch it to
I got a barbecue burger.
a barbecue
It
burger.
has onion rings, the burger obviously, lettuce, and tomato.
I got a classic bacon avocado burger.
Oh snap! All right.
Can I use your knife? I think I did it.
I'm thick as hell.
You want me to put yours?
You gonna open it up? Nice. Oh, nice. Facts. Oh. Facts. I had to put water on my lemonade, man. That shit was like... Okay. That has flavor. Try to get a little bit of everything. Supposed to be 2 strips of bacon. I got 2.5. I'll rock it down. Big trip. Nice. The eggs are kind of cold. They're good, buttery. They'll have brown. Sauce is pretty good. It's something simple for the morning. I gotta try these pancakes. Hold on. Yo, this ham is so. I like ham. Right, beautiful. All I need was a little bit of put a little onions in there, bro.
You want one of my onions?
I already finished my eggs. Bro, I was hungry, bro. As a matter of fact, yeah, let me see.
One more?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. With the sausage. And the bacon. And some of this hash brown in here too, bro. Pancakes? You sure? How about you, baby girl? That's what I do want to do, though. Take this one in the pot. Sit over here. Alright, this over there. Bring this right here. So, hello? No? You squeeze it or something?
Okay.
Oh. Thank you.
Maybe it's about ankle.
Thank you. No idea what I was doing there. I don't need no damn. I don't need no fork. I have this toothache. I'm trying to keep everything on this side, but it never works. But this pancake is delish. Again, I had to add water to that and it made it perfect.
No lie. Are you back to the house? Yeah.
7-8 on the pancakes. Everything else 7-5. Yeah. This is what Ihop on Kane Street, right? Yeah.
Gold Rock.
It used to be the Gold Rock. Absolutely right.
Last time we came to Ihop was when
I think it was Ihop for PJs, but the first time after you guys did laser tag.
Dang, that pancake was good as hell. I need y'all reviews on the burger. She looked like.
I've had better. It's like, nah, real shit though. It was good. About 6'7".
6'7".
6'7". 6'7". I say a 7.
A 7.
What about you?
I already gave the score.
Oh.
Yeah. The pancakes, I say it was a 7-7. The whole plate right here and everything else, 7-4, 7-5. Now I'm about to finish this, but the pancake I do want to take it home.
Who makes better pancakes, me or Ihop?
Of course you, because you got the crispy edges. Mm-hmm.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Oof, can you see that?
Look at me.
This, yeah. The feet? That was a no-go. A no-go.
Bro.
You can see his feet. I think you can. Just look back. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. What you with the camera now?
Don't cut. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.